Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2015 Dodge Journey. This is gonna apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020. This is also gonna apply to Jeep Patriot, Jeep Compass and Dodge Caliber. Cabin air filter on this vehicle is located right behind the glove box. So to access cabin air filter, first we'll have to open the glove box. If you have some stuff inside, you will have to empty this out. Now at this point you can check on each side you have those tabs. They're also called stoppers. So what you want to do, you just want to press on each of them to release the glove box. Alright, so this string you don't have to remove because you have just enough space to access your cabin air filter. So cabin air filter on this vehicle is located right under this cover. So to remove that cover, you will see there are two clips on each side. You just want to push it in and then pull it out. And we'll do this on the other side as well. Just remove the cover. And right now we see our cabin air filter. So just remember the airflow, remember the arrows that are pointing, in which direction are arrows pointing. So now I'm gonna pull it out. Just wanna pinch to it, grab it and just pull it out. This looks like an old filter and dirty as well. Okay, so remember the airflow so you know how to install your brand new air filter. Alright, so I have brand new air filter. Like I said, arrow is pointing down and you just wanna insert it in this air box. Make sure it goes nice, make sure it's properly aligned and fits inside nicely. And once when you have it inside all the way, you will just replace the cover. Just want to make sure it clicks on each side. And that's it. Now just close the glove box. You also want to push on each side. And once those stoppers are in, you can just close the glove box. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.